Ready? Start. I have also been fairly closely connected with the matter in the sense that I have attached great importance to this work and I have occasionally had talks with the members of the commission to find out how they were getting on. May I say that the criticism that has been made, I think, yesterday by an honorable member about the rather sorry result of their labors appears to me totally unjustified. I feel their labors have resulted in very substantial and very good results. They have labored under great difficulties, and in spite of that, they have proceeded calmly and steadily with their work in the highest judicial traditions. And the House will remember that the chairman of this commission is one of our most eminent and respected judges of India. Para. We attached great importance to the fact that a commission of this kind must have men of the highest ability and integrity, and we were fortunate in finding such a man in Mr. Varadachari. Anything entrusted to a judge of that high standing with his lifelong experience of the bench in is bound to be carried out in a judicial manner. The House can be sure of that. In fact, possibly if delays have occurred as they have, partly they are due to the fact that the commission and the chairman are anxious to preserve every type of judicial procedure and not to do anything which might even give any suspicion of hurrying through and not giving that opportunity which should be given. If the House could see the decisions that they have given, they are tremendously long, 70, 80 or 100 pages. They have carefully given every opportunity and have come to certain decisions. Most of these decisions also I would like the House to remember are ultimately by consent. Para. Now the difficulty in dealing with such matters through, let us say, the income tax department, which is the normal way of dealing with them, has been that they cannot deal with them both judicially and at the same time informally. They have to be formal. Their rules govern them, and the people concerned do not like that particular process. They do not welcome it. They do not go there easily unless they are compelled by law to go there. they do come, at least relatively, with this reluctance to this inquiry commission, because the inquiry commission can deal with them informally, can come to deal with them informally, can come to terms with them, almost any terms that they consider just and proper, which the income tax department cannot easily do always in this manner.